Welcome to school. I hope you enjoy your holidays. You will very nice food.
You do what are you doing to principal like a good boy?
All of you go to your classroom, and you boys go to my office. Okay. What do you want from us? I want you to have a manners. What manners? I want you to behave. We behave. Who is your mother? Our mother is Trudy. Do you live with her? No, we live with our granny. Go and call her now.
You are the silly principal.
I said go and call her now. The boy is soon out. So why are you here? What have you done? Just nothing. Okay, let's go there. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. The principal told me that you want to see me. Yes, that's true. Your voice doesn't have a manner. I know they're stupid boys. I will never leave this voice in this school. Please, don't kick them. Okay. The principal got to put them because of their behaviors. It's sorry, Granny. It's too late. All of you come here. I have something for you. You have to give your parents this.
What is that? Sorry, principal, to be late.
You came here without knocking. I didn't see them. Maybe they was late. No, I saw his granny. They could pick us up his bad manner. Maybe you are right. Let's go home. Don't be late. Hi, Mom. Hi, girls. Have you heard that was suspended? Yes, her granny come. Yes, her granny come to tell me dinner will be ready soon. Go and write your homework. Okay, Mom. Yes. Dinner is ready. welcoming you for all this special meeting. One parent came here complaining about his children's mischievous way. We have to lead our children in a successful life. We know that child begins at home. If a child is not